Hi my dear students, a very good morning to everyone. Did you remember in a previous class what we have learned? Yes, we have learnt about our solar system and also sun. So today we'll do a same lesson, a book back exercise. Please children, take class 2 semester 2 textbook along with the pencil and page number 184. Okay, first we will finish the book back exercise, fill up, match, true or false, and also name the following. Okay, and the rest of the things we will see later. Okay, first all of you take page number 184. First we'll see a fill up. Okay, fill in the blanks. So in this lesson they have given a 5 fill ups. Now I am going to read it. Okay, A, fill up, fill in the first one. We live on the planet. We live on the planet dash. நம்ம எந்த பிளானட்ல இருக்கோம், எந்த கோள்கள்ல நம்ம உயிர் வாழ்றோம்? Yes, Earth. We live on the planet Earth. Answer is Earth. E-A-R-T-H. Earth. Is that? Finish your writing. Shall I go for a second one? Okay. Second one. The earth gets its light from the sun because sun is the main big sources of the light. The earth gets its light from sun. So in this dash you have to write it sun. S-U-N. Sun. Okay. First fill up is earth. Second fill up is sun. Third one. The dash is the satellite of the earth. Which is the natural satellite? Yes, very good. Moon is the natural satellite and also the moon and natural satellites on the earth. Okay. The dash is the satellite of the earth. The moon is the satellite of the earth. So answer is third one fill up. Answer is moon. M-O-O-N. Moon. Okay. Fourth one. Dash is the closest star to the earth. Which is the closest star? Sun is the closest star to earth. So in this dash you have to write again sun. S-U-N. Sun. Sun is the closest star to the earth. Okay. Fifth fill up. The earth supports life because it has water and air. நம்ம பூமியில மனுஷ வாழ்றதுக்கு தேவையான, மனிதர்கள் மட்டும் இல்லை, எல்லா உயிரினங்களும் வாழ தேவையான என்ன இருக்கு? வாட்டர் சோர்சஸ் அண்ட் ஏர் இருக்கு. பிரீத், மூச்சு விடுறதுக்காக காத்து இருக்கு. ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டேஷ் யூ ஹாவ் டு ரைட் இட் வாட்டர். W-A-T-E-R. Water. And second dash you have to write air. A-I-R. Air. Okay students, once again I read all the fill up. Okay. We live on the planet. Answer Earth. Second one. The earth gets its light from the sun. Third one. The moon is the satellite of the earth. Answer is moon. Fourth fill up. Dash is the closest star to the earth. Answer sun. Fifth one. The earth supports life because it's water and air. Okay student, finish your writing. Shall I go for a second exercise B? Match the following. Okay. So listen. Here they have given column A and column B. Column A they have given like moon, sun and the stars and also planets. Some planets name they have given. So we are going to match it correctly. Okay. Which is the suitable answer for a first letter. First one. Moon. Moon is a satellite. So you have to drag the line moon to satellite or put number 1. Did you clear? ஒன்று நீங்கள் என்ன பண்ணணும்? மேட்ச் பண்ணிடணும். இல்லைன்னா அதோட மூணோட ஆன்சர் என்னது? 1. ஸோ அந்த 1க்கு இங்கே எழுதி ரவுண்ட் பண்ணிடணும். புரிஞ்சுதா? ஸோ மூன் இஸ் அ சேட்டிலைட். செகண்ட் ஜூபிட்டர். ஸோ ஜூபிட்டர் இஸ் அ planet. So we have totally how many planets? 8 planets. So Jupiter also one of the very biggest planet. Okay, Jupiter is the biggest planet. So planet, the first one, put number 2 or drag the line Jupiter to planet, first one. Okay, third, sun. Sun is the nearest star. Okay, sun also பகலில் தெரியும் நட்சத்திரம் என்னது? சூரியன் தான். Okay, so sun is the nearest star. Put number 3 nearest star. Nearest star where it is? 1 2 3 4. Fourth one is nearest star, so put number 3 or drag the line sun to nearest star. Okay, next fourth one, stars. Stars have a light. எல்லா நட்சத்திரங்களும் எப்படி இருக்கும்? மினுக்கும் ஒளிக்கும் கூடிய தன்மை இருக்கும். So stars have a light, so put number 4. Earth. Earth supports life. ஏன்னா நம்ம பூமியில் வாழ்கிறதுக்கு தேவையான எல்லா சப்போர்ட்ஸ் எங்கே இருக்குது? பூமியில் இருக்குது. நம்ம வாழ்கிறதுக்கு தேவையான எல்லா ஃபெசிலிட்டியும் பூமியில் இருக்குது. ஸோ எர்த் put number 5 support life or drag the line to earth to supports life. Isn't it? Okay. Finish your writing. Exercise A and B. Shall I go for exercise C now? Okay. Students, listen. Now we will learn and do a true or false. Okay. The same lesson number 6, the sun and the solar system. First, true or false. There are 9 planets in our solar system. How many planets we have? We have only 8 planets. So first statement is wrong or put F like that. Okay. There are 9 planets in our solar system. No, we have only 8 planets. Before that we have 9 planets, but the Pluto is a smallest planet. அது ரொம்பவும் குறுங்கோள், smallest planet. So they didn't consider. The scientists they didn't consider. So there are 9 planets in our solar system. Statement is wrong or put F. Okay, like that. Next, the moon has its own light? No, the moon has not own light because it's get a light from the sun. Okay, சூரியன் கிட்ட இருந்து வெளிச்சத்தை தான் நிலா வாங்கிக்குது. ஓகேவா? The moon has its own light? False. Next, stars are very near the earth. Stars are very near the earth? No, only one star. Which is the star is near the earth? Sun மட்டும்தான், சூரியன் மட்டும்தான் பூமிக்கு பக்கத்தில் இருக்கும், அருகில் இருக்கும். மற்ற ஸ்டார்ஸ் எல்லாம் இட்ஸ் வெரி ஃபார் அவே, ரொம்ப லாங் டிஸ்டன்ஸில் இருக்கும். ஸோ ஸ்டார்ஸ் ஆர் வெரி நியர் த எர்த். Statement is false. So in this box you have to put F. So you know how to write true or false. Okay. Fourth one. The earth has water and air. Yes, true, because water and air is supports to the life. வாழ்றதுக்கு தேவையான facilities எங்க இருக்கு? பூமியில இருக்கு. So earth has water and air. Answer true. Okay, the last true or false. The moon is a planet? No, moon is not a planet. Okay, so false. Moon is a satellite, natural satellite on the earth. Okay, so the moon is a planet. Answer false. Okay children, now look at next page, page number 185. So in this lesson you have a 5 question answer. Okay, and also again 3 question types is there, sentence is there. First we'll see E, name the following. After finish it we'll go for a question and answer and D words, missing letters. Did you clear? Okay. E, name the following. The sun, moon and planets. யூனிவர்ஸ் இதில் எங்கே இருக்குது? சூரியன், நிலா மற்றும் துணைக்கோள்கள்லாம் எங்கே இருக்குது? யூனிவர்ஸ், அண்டத்தில் இருக்குது. ஸோ ஆன்சர் இஸ் யூனிவர்ஸ். UNIVERSE, யூனிவர்ஸ். ஓகே, ஃபினிஷ் யுவர் ரைட்டிங். Shall I go for a second one? The satellite of the earth? Answer is moon. M-O-O-N, moon. Third one, the bodies that go around the sun, planets. எந்தெந்த துணைக்கோள்கள்லாம் சூரியனை சுற்றி வரும்? planets மட்டும்தான் சூரியனை சுற்றி வரும். The bodies that go around the sun, planet. P-L-A-N-E-T-S, planets. Okay. So, children, till we have complete exercise A, B, C and E. Now, we will do the unscribbled word. This is a jumbled word. Okay. First one, they have given unscribbled word. Mati letters kuduthirukanga. So, what we are going to do now? We are going to do now, write it correctly. Correct நம்ம எழுதணும், சரியா எழுதணும், முறைப்படுத்தி எழுதணும். So, T-R-A-S-U-N. This is not a correct word. This is a certain. Okay, certain. S-A-T-U-R-N, certain. And second is earth. E-A-R-T-H, earth. Third one, Mars. M-A-R-S, Mars. Fourth one, Venus. V-E-N-U-S, Venus. Fifth one, Sun. S-U-N, Sun. Sixth one, Jupiter. J-U-P-I-T-E-R, Jupiter. Seventh one, Mercury. M-E-R-C-U-R-Y, Mercury. Eighth one, Uranus. U-R-A-N-U-S, Uranus. And last one, Neptune. N-E-P-T-U-N-E, Neptune. Okay? Okay, children. Now, we will learn and do and write. Answer the following question. First listen. After finish the lesson, you will write it in your EVS class work note. Is it? Okay. So in this lesson you have a totally 5 questions. So what are the question present in your textbook? I'll replicate on the note itself. Okay. Shall I start? First question. Who gives heat and light to the earth? Who gives heat and light to the earth? Answer. The sun gives heat and light to the earth. The sun gives heat and light to the earth. ஏனா சூரியன் கிட்ட இருந்தா நமக்கு வெளிச்சமும் வெப்பமும் கிடைக்குது. Okay. Second question. What is the solar system? What is the solar system? Sun, planets and their satellites are our solar system. Okay. What is the solar system? Answer. The family of the sun, planets and their satellites together is known as solar system. Okay. Third question. Why do stars appears as dots of light? எதனால மேல ஸ்டார்ஸ் எல்லாம் ரொம்ப சின்ன புள்ளியா தெரியுது? Because அதெல்லாம் சூரியனை விட மிக மிக தொலைவில் இருக்குது. அதனால தான் அது நமக்கு பார்க்கும்போது எப்படி தெரியுது? சின்னதாக தெரியுது. ஓகே. Why do stars appears as dots of light? Answer. Stars are very far away, so they appear very small as a dots of light. So stars எல்லாம் எங்கிட்ட இருக்கும்? ரொம்ப ரொம்ப தொலைவில் இருக்கிறதுனால அதோட தோற்றம் எப்படி தெரியுது? நம்ம வானத்தை பார்க்கும்போது சின்னதாக ஒரு புள்ளி மாதிரி தெரியுது. ஓகே. Once again I read it. Why do stars appears as dots of light? Answer. Stars are very far away, so they appear very small as dots of light. Isn't it? Shall I go for a fourth question? Name the instrument with which we see the planets and stars of the night sky. Night skyல நம்ம பிளானட்ஸையும் துணைக்கோள்களையும் நட்சத்திரங்களை பார்க்கலன்னா எந்த உபகரணத்தோட உதவியால பார்க்க முடியும்? Which is the instrument? What is the name of the instrument? Telescope. Very good. Answer is telescope. T-E-L-E, telescope. S-C-O-P-E, scope, telescope. Okay. Name the instrument with which we see the planets and stars of the night sky. Answer is telescope. The last but not least, this is our last question. Which is the satellite of the earth? Which is the satellite of the earth? Moon is the satellite of the earth. Answer is the moon is the satellite of the earth. Which is the satellite of the earth? Answer. The moon is the satellite of the earth. Student, it is very easiest lesson. All the exercises also very easiest. So please be prepared for your annual examination. Okay, all the book back exercise. Now we will learn and write D words and missing letters. So in this lesson, our 6th lesson, you have only 3 D words and 3 missing letters. Okay, first one, star. First D word is star. Second, universe. Third one, planets. Okay. Second Roman letter is missing letters. First one, satellites. SATELLITES, satellites. Here I have put an underline below L and L, satellites. Okay. Second one, solar, SOLAR, solar. Third, telescope, TELESCOPE, telescope. Okay. Did you clear all the book back exercise and also D words missing letters? Okay. Okay students, today we have completed our 6th lesson, a book back exercise, and also it is a very easiest lesson. So please go through all the book back exercise along with the question answer, even D words missing letters too. We will meet next class, and next class I am going to give you or take annual examination revision. Okay, be prepared for your annual examination. Next class I will explain what are the details. Thank you.